Welcome everyone to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Today I'd like to show you guys how to clean your cell phone any virus or other germs and bacteria. A microbiologist from the University of the Arizona said the iPhone and any other cell phone carry 10 times the amount of bacteria as the typical toilet seat. So yes, we definitely need to disinfect our phone. Unplug your phone, remove the all case and turn off your phone. You are gonna need some soft cloth and hand wash or balm to mix your hand wash and soap, and some warm up water or some Q-tips. So a little balm, you are gonna put up a few pumps of hand wash and you are going to mix it with some warm water and make it like that. Under normal condition, I just using soft cloth to wipe off my phone. This is a microfiber cloth. Do not use a paper towel. I gonna go over my phone and just clean it. And you need another soft cloth to dry your phone. Next you need some Q-tips to clean your phone side. If you want to clean your case, you can do it the same way by just dipping the towel and clean the case. I hope I clean my all germs and bacteria on my phone, and if you can try this at home, please clean your phone and be safe. See you next time to another video. Allah Hafiz.